Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Friday, June 16th, 2023, at 4:46 p.m. This here is a Union industrial ceiling fan. This is a 56-inch industrial fan from the late 70s, early 80s. There's actually a childhood fan of mine. There was a bowling alley I'd go to from time to time. Haven't been to in 30 plus years, but there were a whole bunch of these. I guess some got wiped out in a flood or a fire or something, and but I think there's one or two that remained unscathed. So yeah, I remember like sneaking over to use the restroom and then jumping up on a bench so I could get a little bit closer to the fan and get a good look at it. So I hitched it up to a 6-speed EnviroFan controller. So without further ado, let's take it for a test spin, shall we? So this is on speed 1, speed 2, a little slower. Speed 3. Speed 4. And speed 5, which is the slowest. I misspoke. It's actually a 5-speed control, not a 6-speed, as I had previously stated. And now for the spin down. Alright, so now I'm going to give you guys a tour of the top side of the fan. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.